This video was created to support autistic children and families using the toilet in a calm, step-by-step visual learning.
Using the toilet helps keep our body healthy and clean. When we use the toilet, our body feels comfortable. It is important to listen to our body when we need to pee or poop. After using the toilet, we flush and wash our hands with soap. Using the toilet helps us grow more independent every day. Let's go use the toilet.
First, I pull my trousers and pants down. Next, I sit on the toilet or potty and wait for my body.
Sometimes I feel pressure in my bottom. It is okay to take my time. When I sit calmly and wait, my body can relax. Everybody uses the toilet. Now I use toilet paper to wipe carefully. I wipe from front to back until I feel clean. Next, I pull my clothes back up and I flush the toilet. What do we do next? Next, I wash my hands. Washing my hands keeps me healthy and stops germs. Clean hands help keep my body healthy. It's important to wash the front and back of your hands and between your fingers to keep germs away. All clean. Did you see how simple it was to use the toilet?
So, when you feel your body funny or full inside, don't be afraid or ashamed to use the toilet. Everybody uses the toilet. If you like this video and think it could help other children, please like and subscribe to my channel for more support and resources.